Hello to everyone, good morning to all. And right now I'm taking a simple topic here, and the topic is simply the acid, base and salt. So the topic is simply acid, base and salt. Now firstly understand that what are the acids, what are the base, and then we'll discuss about what are the salts. Clear? Simply like you have the two substances, one is the lemon and one is the soap solution. So you always observe that the lemon is sour in taste and the soap solution is slightly bitter in taste. So you can say here the lemon and the soap water are the quietly different substances. Yeah, those are having the different properties by their taste and by their other things also. For example, if you are taking the differences in between the soap and lemon on the behalf of their taste, so the lemon is always sour in taste, and the soap solution is always bitter in taste. So you can say that the acids are those substances which are sour in taste. Here, that means the acids are sour in taste. At the same time, the soap solution is bitter in taste. So this soap solution is called, is having basic in nature. It's called the basic substances. Clear? So it's called the simple definition of acid and base. That means the acids are sour in taste and the base are bitter in taste. Clear? So, for examples, you know about the most of acids, most of chemicals, those are acids, and the most of chemicals, those are basic in nature. For examples, we are taking here simply the HCl and the NaOH. We all know that the HCl is called the hydrochloric acid, and this one is called the sodium hydroxide. Here, sodium hydroxide is called the NaOH, and the hydrochloric acid is called HCl. Here, so the simply here the HCl and NaOH, and both are the chemical in nature, both are the chemical substances, so you can't taste it. Clear? Because these two are the harmful for your body, they can insert your body. Clear? So you can simply say that how you can recognize which one is the acid and which one is the base. So at that time we can use some indicator. We can use some other substances to identify which one is acidic and which one is having basic nature. Clear? But first of all, understand that here HCl and NaOH, both the substances are not sour in taste or slightly maybe not bitter in taste. So you can simply do the one things, you can use the indicator, and the simple indicator you have called the litmus paper. So we are using here the indicator here called the litmus paper. So what is the indicator? Indicators are some indicating substances which can tell you the substance is either acidic in nature or substance is having either basic in nature. Clear? So simply, first of all, understand that second definitions of acids and base. Clear? Here in the HCl, you are saying that when this HCl is dissolved in water, you are taking water here, so it can dissociate into their ions form, and this one is called the dissociation. That means the breaking of substance in their constitute ions. Here, so this H plus, and if NaOH is dissolved in water, so it will break down into Na plus and OH negative. So this H plus and OH negative are the indication to having the acidic behavior or to having basic nature. First, now the definition. Now the second definition of yours is that the first is the acids are sour in taste and the base are bitter in taste. Clear? At the same time, you can say that the acids are those substances which can produce which can produce H ion in their aqueous solution, and the bases are those which can produce OH ions in their aqueous solution. Clear? And here you are using the litmus paper in their aqueous form. So you can see that the acids change blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red, and the base are changed red litmus to blue. Clear? So this one is called the indicator. Indicator we are using here only the litmus paper. Clear? That means acid convert blue litmus paper into red, and the base convert red litmus paper into blue color. Clear? So this one is called the simply definitions of acids and base. Now understand that what are the salt? What are the salt? Salt are simply called the combinations of acids and base. Combinations of acids and base. Acid plus base is called salt. For example, you are taking acid here, the HCl, and you are taking the base is NaOH, so it will give you like Na and the Cl. That means the one is the NaCl and one is the water. What is the water? So this NaCl is called salt. This is called salt, and the simple or the common name of the salt is called the sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. So this one is called the salt, and the reaction is called the neutralization reaction. That means the basic character of NaOH is neutralized by HCl, and the acidic behavior of HCl is neutralized by NaOH. So this is all about acid, base and salt, and this is called the very primary definitions and the primary phenomena related to the acid and base and salt. Clear? So thank you so much. Have a good day.